My name is Viharaa Jayasinghe and today I will be doing the questions 2 of DBMS A1. So let's get started. So this is the PDF that contains the questions of question set 2. Board of Directors of Sandun Productions has decided to include all of their company information into a computer software. The computer software was commissioned by Tilnagarathru Soft. You are the senior software engineer of this software development company, and your team has been assigned to create the database. Create the database needed to store information in this software. So this scenario simply means that there's a company called Sandon Productions, and the board of directors of that company has decided to store their company information to a computer software, and that software is commissioned by a software company called Tilinagatra Soft. And they say to think myself as a senior software engineer of that software company, and my team has been assigned to create the database of that software. Thereby, we have to create a database to store the information in this software. So the first question is use Sanduna Production DB for the name of this database. Today I will be using Workbench. So today I will be using Workbench as my database management client software. So let's start with a new database. Our database should have the name Sanduna Production. Sanduna Production DB. Let's apply the name. That's the relevant code for action. So let's continue. And we can see our database now. So let's see the next question. So the next question is to create a table called employee to store employee information. And we have to follow the following instructions. So there should be 5 columns with the data type varchar and with different lengths as well. So the first column is average number with 10. So let's firstly create the table. So let's right click and create our table, employee. And the first column is m underscore h number, and it should be varchar, the length of 10. And the second column is first name, this one is the last name, same as the first name. It has the same data type and the same number of the same length. And next one is gender, with the length of 10. That's all according to our instructions. And let's tick all this, so all data must be provided, and let's apply. And this is the relevant query for the table we are creating. Let's apply, and we can see how it has turned out. So this is our employee table. It's all according to our first 2 questions. And third question, we have to create a table called product to store product information, and we have to follow the below instructions as we did previously. So in this case, we have to use 3 columns with the same data type varchar. And let's create a new table called product. one is product name. I almost forgot. We have to uh, include the data type, which is varchar, and it should be, and the length should be 10. The next one is product name. It should be varchar 45. Let's untick this. And product name, varchar 45. Brand should be, the next one is brand. It should be same as the product name. Stick this. Now let's see how our table have turned out. So let's apply, finish, and let's see our table, a product table relevant to the third question. And let's go to the fourth question. What are the steps you can take to stop data repetition in the product table above, which is this. In this table, we can see product ID, product name, and brand. As we know, a brand could have any number of products, so it could repeat. So in this case, we can make a separate table for brand with ID as well. So after creating such a table, we can make a relationship between the brand table and the product table, which should be a one-to-one relationship. Let's mention our steps. Uh, uh, Set. That's the first precaution that I will take. The second one will be changing in the two tables. Which we have created now. And those would be the steps that I would take in order to uh, stop the repetition of data in the product table. So that's how I did the question set 2 of DBMS day 1. And thank you.